Hello everyone. Here we're going to discuss how the weekly quizzes are run for our intermediate human physiology course. First, let's see where these weekly quizzes can be located. So first thing, once you're inside of the intermediate human physiology shell in Canvas, you're going to select modules. Once you select module, then this page will open up with the list of all the modules. Here we can see we have the Module 1 that's open, Module 2 coming right down below. And once you open, for example, Module 1, here's the list of all the assignments, and all the way at the bottom, you're going to see weekly quiz. And because we have 7 different learning outcomes, then we're going to have questions from all different learning outcomes here in the weekly quiz. Another way of looking for the weekly quiz is through the Overview tab. So again, that would be the first tab under your module. If you click on it, it will open up this page. And if you scroll all the way down, you're going to see the weekly quiz link. Another way of finding the weekly quiz link is instead of clicking under module, you're going to click on the Quizzes tab inside of Canvas. Once you click on the quizzes, there are going to be 2 sets of quizzes. We have the assignment quizzes and the practice quizzes. For you to find the weekly quiz, you need to click on the assignment quizzes tab. And here you're going to see a list of all the graded assignments. So the weekly quiz is a graded assignment, and we can see that the first one, for example, in this list is going to be your Module 1 weekly quiz tab. And if you click on that specific link for Module 1 weekly quiz, you're going to see again that it contains questions from all 7 learning outcomes. It usually is worth 100 points, and it has a total of 10 questions, so each question is worth 10 points. Now, when does the weekly quiz usually open? It opens on Mondays together with the class assignments, and it closes on Thursday of the following week. So if we look over here on the calendar, you're going to see that you literally have 10 days to complete this assignment. And because it closes together with the late penalty phase of the class activities, then the weekly quizzes, they don't have a daily late penalty phase. Therefore, you need to make sure that you submit all your assignments by Thursday of the following week for every single module. Now, if you need an extension, again, it's important that you contact me prior to Thursday, because after the due date, sometimes it's impossible for me to open the assignments as the practice quizzes get released that Friday. And this is the same thing for the DRC students. So the students that need special accommodations, if you have something that is preventing you from completing the assignments on time, just make sure that you reach out to me prior to Thursday. With regards to the weight of this assignment, of course, it depends on the semester. Usually it's between 10 to 30% of your course grade, and I would say mostly it's 20% of the course grade. As always, make sure to check simple syllabus because this information will be contained in there.